It is so real right now that I'm about to cut out this little ghost kiss thing. I want it. It's staying with mama. It's not going nowhere. You staying with me. You staying with me. Hey guys, this is Bess and welcome back to unboxing. I call it an unboxing because I got some Ghost Kiss Studio mail and I was like, what did I do? I was like, what did I do? What did I get? And I was like, wait a minute, I should do an unboxing because this is awesome. It was a gift and I was like, I need to spread the love and show off whatever Neko has in store for me. So if you guys don't know about Neko, she is other artist from YouTube. She does talks, like artist talks. She does a lot of what's that? Is when you sketch in your sketchpad sketchbook slams. She gets on people for it, but yeah, she does those. So yeah, I got this little beautiful white envelope. I was shaking it, but I didn't shake it too much. It makes a little bit of sounds, and I was like, I need to definitely show the posters what your girl got your girl. She said it was a late birthday gift, so we shall see what's in it. I'm really like excited because I'm like, what did I do? What did I get? I do like this like trimming here. This is done with her tape, so that's pretty nice. I did block out her words and stuff like that, but knowing you guys, never saw it. I'm kidding. Oh my god. So I opened up the package and this is what it looks like. It comes with like a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god, look how cute. So this is one of her art pieces that she drawn. I think it's one of her prints that she sold at her convention. Guys, if you see something that you like on here, I'm gonna plug in her Etsy store down below so that you can purchase it, because honestly speaking, these are gorgeous and they're worth the money that is given to her to get it, because she works really hard on these. So yes, this is her Ghost Kiss love one, I think, or it's just her Ghost Kiss one. I know that she drew this for her business cards and I loved it a lot. I was like, I need that in my life. So yes, this is gonna be part of my collection. Where is my farting ghost? I don't know where my farting ghost is right now. I think he's up here. Yeah, he's up here. So she's gonna be part of my farting ghost collection. My collection that I have for like all the people who give me art. So I'm definitely gonna be adding her. And I am super glad that I got this piece, because honestly speaking, to get like something that the artist uses on their everyday is awesome. She also signed it, so look how beautiful. It's signed and everything. So yeah guys, definitely, I think she signs everything that she sells. So yes, keep an eye out for that. So the next thing in the trusty, oh look it, yeah, so gorgeous. Oh my god, this is my favorite one because she's multi-skinned. I think it's called vitiligo or something like that. But yes, very cute. I love it so much. And yes guys, you see, it's part of the business card thing. I know what I'm talking about. I know my posty ghost. So yes, definitely Party Neko, definitely check her out. She's on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. I will be plugging her down below guys. So yes, got this beautiful print of her ghosties with someone who's multicolored skin. I want to make a character like this, so this is very inspiring to even see something like this. So yes guys, that's also in the store, I think. Just take a look at the store. Oh, I'm gonna wait for this for last. Wow, I'm gonna wait for this for last. Wow, girl, I can't even talk. So I got a little baggie. It says charms. So I'm gonna open up the bag. I don't want to destroy nothing. I love everything that my posters give me. Especially like the ones that they see me as a big sister. Oh, awesome. This is gonna be ripped and I'm so mad, but it's okay. So guys, check it. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna pull them out one by one. Yes, yo, this is going in my car. I don't care what anybody says. This right here is going in my car. Look how gorgeous. Again, guys, this is in her Etsy store. So this is the Ghosty Fam one. I think it's the Ghost Kiss Studios one. And it's her with her ghosties. That's what she calls her subscribers. I call mine pulses. She calls hers ghosties. So definitely something so gorgeous. It's not like, you know, double-sided, but this first side is gorgeous and it's worth it. On top of that, it has a heart charm. So see that, guys? A heart charm. Boop. And that thing is gorgeous. It goes with the theme. So I really like that a lot. I seen her put some of these together and I was so bummed out because things were going on and I couldn't like get one and, you know, help with the Kickstarter. So I was like, oh man, when she gets it on the Etsy shop, it's a wrap. But again, she surprises your girl. And then check this one out. Oh look, hold on, wait a minute. Okay, this one didn't come with it, but this one, it came with a star with another star. You see that star in the bottom? This is another character that she does a lot also. I think as a pin I have it because I did collect all her pins. So if you see here, it's this one right here on the broomstick. I don't know what it's called, but I don't know what that fox is called, but I know it's part of her Ghost Kiss thing. So yes, it's nice to have another guy chilling. Look at him playing the games. I love it. It's gorgeous, guys. Again, it has a one side, but the front is just to die for. So yes, look at that. Then we have another one. I think I got all of them. Oh my god, I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, Neko, if you're watching this. So yes, check this guy out. He is more, oh my god, Lord. Yes. Thank you for this. This is so awesome. So this is the other one. This looks like a tanuki with the fish thing that'd be in Japan, that they fill it with chocolate and stuff like that. And it has a little heart there. Again, this is one-sided, but the freaking print is to die for. Look at that, man. That thing is gorgeous. Sorry for my, you know what? Let's do it like that. This one comes with a regular old pin, but that's cool because this is so intricate as is with the fish. I don't think it needed extra, like, honestly. So very, very gorgeous. Thank you so much for the charms. I'm definitely putting this in my car though, like, yes. And they're gonna be like, Vess, like, where'd that come from? Like, Ghost Kiss. Yes, go over there, show some love. Charms, I think, is a couple of dollars, maybe $2, $3, I don't know, but they look like $3 charms. So, you know, go down there and get yourself some charms. And then I don't have nothing else in here, so I'm gonna push that off to the side. But look what I got. It says Vess and the family, extras for the kids and Justin. So she did show some love for the kids that I'm basically raising, my brothers and sisters, and Justin. I didn't expect, I honestly did not expect any of this. This is just a whole bunch of post love, so this is just awesome to like have this. I take everybody's, anything that they give me, and I put extra care and love into it. And I said, oh my god, there's so much stuff. Hold on. So if you pull it out, I think I got everything. We have her business card again. So this is the back of the business card. That's how gorgeous it is. Look at that. And that's her as a cat. And then that's the other part. Then It says, if you ever wanted to send me mail, she gave me her address. You ain't getting it. You ain't getting it. She gave us these beautiful stickers. I think this is Hero Academia. So we got that one. We got this one. These are all on her Etsy store. She's also selling these at cons, guys. And they're very great quality. Like, legit quality. Like, honestly speaking, look at that. And it got the shine to it and everything. So yes, definitely take a look. She has all the characters. So if you love this series, definitely get them. These are gorgeous. Like, I'm living for them. I don't even think the kids deserve it. Like, I don't care. Look how gorgeous. They're so nice. She did put a Neko one in there. I think I'm gonna keep this one and put it somewhere, because this one is like the only one, I think, and it's the cutest little thing ever. She put in pizza. What? That's not keto friendly. I'm kidding. But yeah, we got some pizza slices up in here. We got the charm, the last charm that we got. This is the sticker version of it. I think it came out gorgeous either way. This is the sticker version of the other charm. Again, gorgeous to die for. This is the sticker version of the other one. Is again to die for. And we have the lion. This lion is beautiful. I love it. I don't even think they deserve it. They don't deserve it. So, okay, I got a message. It says, I don't know if this is right to do, but I want to do it because I think that I would like to show appreciation in what everybody does for me. Like, even with like Charlie's video, I sent it out on my Instagram so everybody can see it. And with things like this, like if people send me things, I'm definitely going to show it, because my thing about it is, it's their artwork first. Second, their posts, you know. Third is great to review. It's great to show other people's work. Like, I'm not the only artist around, so I definitely like to do things like this. So it says, Dear Vess, hey girl, I know this may be surprise, but you show me so much love, so much support and love. I just had to show out. God, I'm messing it up. She said, here's some freebies. Hope you like is not even the word, love is. Thank you for being my YouTube big sis. I hope to keep growing and learning with you. Love, Neko. Happy late birthday. So time to spoil. Look at this little person here. It's so gorgeous. Yes, so definitely thank you so much, Neko. I loved it. I loved every single piece, and I'm definitely gonna put it up. Like, this is, I put up her pins, man. Look at that. See those pins? I did that. I put them up. And I got her stuff here because, you know, she went ahead and made Celestial post stuff, and she sent it, and I put it here. Like, I'm thinking about like making a thing so that when people send me Celestial post things that they made, I will just put it here. I know my sisters and brothers, my sister, she made, you know, the little figurines, and I made this guy, but I'm just gonna make like a little section. I think I want to change up things, but not too soon. But yes, it's more than like, it's love. Like, I love every single piece. I love her art. Definitely check her out, guys. Everything is in the descriptions. Everything that I have, I'm pretty sure is on her Etsy shop, so you need to take your booties down there and get something. I know there's some pins too left, and I think she has a Kickstarter, so everything's gonna be linked down below. Definitely give her a look out, and you know, show some love. Go on her channel and show her some posty love like you guys been doing. I know she has been streaming there, and you know, doing her thing. And honestly speaking, she keeps going, and she's a fighter just like me, so definitely show her some love. Now for me, I'm streaming on Twitch, So if you guys are looking for your girl, she's over there. I'm sorry, I don't care what YouTube does, but I'm over there. We have a lot of stuff going on. We got gaming going. We got a lot of things going good on that side of the world. So if you like want to see me live, I do Tuesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Fridays 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and Sundays 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's just me doing what I do best. So definitely come down, hit up the like and stuff. It's gonna be here, the link of where you need to go. I know YouTube is weird about that, and I'm trying to get some of the other posts on board, because honestly speaking, it's a better community. A lot of people are more like, they're more like pushing forward for other people to, you know, achieve with them. Like, I know other artists and they come, they raid. It's like a whole bunch of like just community based type stuff that I like, and that's what I want for our community. So I'm still doing videos. This is not going away, but definitely doing a lot of streaming over there. It's 3 times a week, and I just have fun, and I, you know, whack out and all that. So same old, just go down there, check us out. And definitely show Neko some love too, because she needs the love. She needs our pulsy hearts to be glowing on her, making her warm. So definitely go ahead down there and show her some love. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, well, I like this video. Hit that like. If you like to see other people's work that they send me and stuff like that, definitely hit that like, because that's what I do. I like to show other people's things. Before I go, I do want to go ahead and I want to showcase the posts that send me fan art. So yes, stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for the art. I don't care what anybody says, art is a gift, and I love all the gifts that I get. Like, you know, yeah, don't get me wrong, it's not a lot, but I think it's a lot. I feel like I get a lot of love and appreciation for it. So thank you guys very much for them. I will treat them with so much love. They will be part of my book. They'll be part of everything that I do. I'm showcasing them and everything because you guys are awesome. So keep being awesome, keep drawing. You guys did a wonderful job. Yes, and hit a like for that too, because you guys did awesome. Again, guys, I do videos on Wednesdays and I stream on Twitch, so definitely meet me down there. And that's all I have to say. Again, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.